Welcome to the Begley Library tutorial on how to use CQ Researcher. If at any point you need assistance or have a question, please do not hesitate to contact a librarian. Begin by going to the Begley Library's homepage. Place your mouse over the word Research. Click on Find Articles. Under Search here for Articles, click on Library Databases. Click on C for CQ Researcher. Click on CQ Researcher. You can either click on one of the topics, or you can click on Pro/Con to see resources specific to these types of topics. Click on Pro/Con. Here is an alphabetical list of topics starting with the letter A that are covered from opposing views. Click on the first letter of the topic you are thinking of, such as R. Here you will see a list of the topics that have two sides or views presented. You can click on the title to see the resources on that topic. Click on Railroads. Scroll down to access the full report. You can go directly to a section of your choice by using the menu on the right, such as Introduction, Overview, Background, Current Situation, Short Features, Outlook, Pro/Con, Chronology, Bibliography, the Next Step or Suggested Resources, and more. You can also download a PDF of the article for later use. You can also get link to get a link that will take the user directly to this source if they log into their MySCCC account. By clicking on Cite, you will be able to view a draft citation of the source. Be sure to check it before submitting your work. Computers can make mistakes. Click on Copy to Clipboard to copy the citation and paste it into your document or email. If at any point you need assistance or have a question, please do not hesitate to contact a librarian.